Now we are using a red paper strip and we are rolling it and we have made a rose from it. Now we will make the small cute bouquet with that rose. We are using a tissue paper and this is the beautiful bouquet is ready now. Next here we are using a medicine cover and we have pasted it from the bottom with the paper, and now you can see it is looking like eyes. Isn't it a good idea to make the eyes? And you can see we have also made the cheeks and we have added the eyes to it, and how good and creative it is looking now. Next we'll make some bows, some beautiful bows with the paper. You can see how we have cutted the paper into the bow shape, and now we will decorate it with folding it, and you can see this is ready. Thank you very much for watching the video. Next again we are using a red color paper and we have cutted it and given the shape as shown in the video. Now we will tie it and we'll make it in flower shape. You can see how we have made the petals. After folding it, we'll paste it from the upper part and you can see the flower is ready. Now we'll make the stem after completing the flower with the green color paper, and this is the beautiful flower which is ready now.